Yeah, so guys, this is exactly what I told you guys. Look at how this rain, guys, has come to bring a lot of this water is diverting, guys, to my home. Wow. Oh my god, water is diverting, guys, to our lands. Oh my god, you can see, guys, at our farm there. That's why we planted our maize. I don't know, they are going to survive. So we are getting there, guys. Wait to see, guys. Let's first to see. I want to see exactly what brought this problem. Wow. Oh my god, what the hell? Hey, this rain will kill us, guys. Oh my god. Hey, these people, guys, who made our road here, guys, they brought some problem. Oh my god, my uncle's house. Oh god, how can I help this? Guys, if this were your house, guys, what could you do, guys? I think you'll have to fence that, to put something there so that this water can stop diverting to our farms, you know, so that it can continue to go with the road. Hey, yeah. And guys, anyway, at this side there's some people who can think this one is a grass. But I will keep on saying, you guys, these are a millet. These are a millet. This is how they grow. The rain is good, guys. When it's raining, guys, it's good. If you remember, guys, at January and February, you were really struggling for water. But now, guys, you have to complain about this rain. This rain is too much. Let me take you down there to our farm to see what the rain has messed. Yeah, so guys, you can see all of this farm. This is our farm, which has already been we have already planted maize and the beans there. So the rain has caused, guys, you can see, guys, it's like rain has carried away some beans and the maize, but some have survived. Wow. I wish, guys, I could know this earlier. I could see the way I could help. Aswa nyumba. Yeah, so guys, it has been raining very hard. Even it stopped me, guys, from preparing my yeah, you know, my bananas and the sweet potatoes, which I will take to Nairobi tomorrow. But finally the rain has stopped, but you can see still there is some like water is flowing.